Yeah, welcome to Richminded Skills. My name is Joe, and what you're about to watch is real about FlipDemon HFT robot, and it is the first time I'm just going to trade and I'm showing you the trade, and the account as you see is a 357, and the robot I'm going to use is FlipDemon HFT, and the pair I'm going to use is gold. And as you see, the algo trading is off, and there is no any pair in the chart. So today I'm going to take the robot call that the way I told you, and I'm going to show you everything that happened, every trade, every loss, every recovery, and I'm going to I'm not going to cut the losses when it is any drawdown out, because here the truth, sometimes people don't show you this, and I have already shown this more many times, and I am not the kind of that person. Always I'm just showing everything for you so as you can just know what to do. So now they put the pair already in the chart, just like that one. And so let's just put the bot and let's see how it will go. And I will just put the bot and I will let it take a trade as it is, because it's already set to take at least five trades, and then it will just go according to the market, like according to the free margin. So okay, so before we start the robot, here, let's explain what's happening with today working, how with the pair is gold. We see that's the gold against the dollar. I could just specially use the gold, one of the most volatile pair on the market. And as you see, the algo trading is off. It's the fastest move and big, and market both excited and dangerous for any automated trade. If you don't know how to you are emotional, you don't trade it. So I opened the algo trading, and let's see if the robot took one trade first, took 0.0, and then added some to a direction sell, and I decided to use a 1 minute time frame. I decided to use 1 minute time frame so as I can see how it performs, and we want all of us here, we're going to see how it performs and everything. So always remember, when trading forex, always you have to lose what you can afford. You have to trade or to use what you can afford to lose. So trade the money that you can afford to lose. And also, when selecting the robot, select the robot that is okay, and use research and everything. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so as if this video is useful for you and the robot is good for you, you can just decide whether you have to have it or you have to quit about it, or whether it is good for you or not good for you. So all this, it is just on your decision. My work is just to show you how it works, and from the scratch of the beginning, how it is just going, and you will see each and everything with your own eyes. And make sure you watch it so as you understand each and every point how the trade has been taken, and each and every point, because that one is everything that will just make you do everything. My starting capital, as you see, is $357, not 3,000, not the 10,357, because I want to show you what realistic starting balance look like for someone who is not already rich. The lot size the robot will trade here now is 0.03. It is just 0.03, as you see, and the position have been taken 1 2 3 4 5. So I want to show you this. That is a small lot, but remember, this robot open multiple position. When you multiply the across 5 or to 6, the exposure adds up quickly. So you have to, so you see it is just starting to go on profit, like you see it. It is just going like that one. And let's just see the lot size the robot will trade is 0.03 per position. That's a small lot, but remember, this robot opened multiple, so I have to understand. Now, before everything. What I will tell you something important. This style of robot uses what traders call recovery greed strategy. Can you see now? Oh, the market goes down, 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 then again. You see the market goes down and 6, and then added some trades again with 0.05 load and 0.05 load. So something important you have to know: the robot uses what called recovery greed strategy. What that mean? What if you don't know what this means, when the market goes against the trade, the robot does not close and take losses. Instead, it opens more trades, averaging the entry price and wait for the market to come back to a profitable point before closing everything together. So this is the style. As you see, the market is just going in profit like this one, and other trades are in losses. That strategy can be very poor. That strategy can be very powerful. It can also be very dangerous. So you will see both sides of that today. See, we are about 170 and our capital is just about loss. It's just about to go 1 to 7. So you just check it. Are we going to blow it out? What is it? The robot added again the number. The trade is 0.13. 3 trades. You see, oh, 270, 250, 290. Oh, this is the place where so you can say, oh, I'm closing now. Oh my God. Let's just see, we're going to blow it or not. All right, so the robot now live in chat. You see, it is just doing everything. Added some trades, layer and layer, and the robot is just moving up again, and the direction was just taking a sell. It's just moving up, and then just about 200 points. So we can see our equity is just around 132 and 30s. So it is just like that one. That's so. Within the first few seconds, FlipDemon, few minutes, people have opened a few positions simultaneously. All 0.03 added some trades again at the moment. You see, oh, okay. You can see how it is just going. It just got drop, going up. Open position where slightly positive and go now moving to negative territory. So it is just moving on negative territory. So let's just wait, because as you understand that you trade what is just there, of course, just understand Forex and get risk. So if you don't risk anything, you cannot get anything. So we have to risk to see what is going to happen. I just want to see what will happen. And you see there, I close all my algo trade. I close the algo trading, and I spot this. You see the candlesticks and the profit and loss. And the comment section is FlipDemon, and also you see each and everything. So let's just see what will happen. So we are about floating lows. It's floating low. The robot is not panicking, is not closing anything. This is by design. Remember what I told you about recovery grid. The robot is an engineer to hold through drawdown and wait for recovery. So can you see here, if it is used, sometimes you can say, okay, let me go. Wow, it was just going back. You see how it's just moving. But I want you to watch these numbers right here. The floating lows, the floating lows, the floating profit at the bottom of your screen. Because this is the moment that separates emotion traders from discipline one. This is the moment. This is the moment. Minus 100, minus $70, minus 200. Now I'm going to be honest with you. Right now, sitting here recording this video, watching my account going down, there is a feeling in your stomach. You know the feeling here, the voice that says, close it, close it, please close me, or let me, I don't know, let me just say, close it. Take the small loss, before it gets worse. Take it. The voice is the enemy of the strategy. The voice, I believe that because the moment you close this trade manually, you lock in the loss, you remove the robot ability to recover. You have just turned a floating loss into a real one. And so now you see it just comes again down. It is just a floating loss of 60 to because minus 250, minus 290, minus 315. Oh my god, it just goes like that way. At this point, I have lost 90% of my account on a paper. My $357 account is showing a floating loss of $350. Then means I have roughly for 40 to 50 dollars breathing room left before margin call. And I see I go up to margin call. This is the most dangerous moment, very dangerous moment, and I am not touching it. I will not touch it. I will just leave it. I will not touch it. The robot is still running. The position are still opened. The position are still opened. This position is still opened. As you see, gold has dropped significantly, but gold also has very strong tendency of recovery, especially during active session like this one, New York session. So I am going to let it run. Just let it run. Just left it run to see how everything is just going inside it. And you have to learn all about this inside here to see how everything is just running inside here. You check each and everything inside so as you can understand how everything is just going. So this is the part of the video that every other viewers cuts out. I am leaving it in because this is the reality of trading. This style of robot, you need to see it. You need to know if you can handle it before you put your own money or you buy it. So you have to understand. That's why I'm making this kind of video. It can make you decide what kind of thing you can do and which kind of you can just look according how your kind of strategy you are just using. But then I will just making videos and other videos to see how it is done. So there's a way you can reduce a drawdown by going in a slow like 0.01 lot, because you can select the lot and then you go with small number of trades, so you can just hold that one and it will just help you. So you can trade it in a small account. So I go this aggressively because it's just FT, so as you can just see what is just happening. We are here now waiting for face. Gold dropping. You can see all the chart candles and getting smaller. The moment is slow, is just slowing. The market is deciding to the next direction like that one, but we are waiting. This is actually the most psychologically difficult part, not the sharp drop, but the waiting, because your account is sitting a massive floating loss and nothing is happening yet, you see. But at least you see how it comes and where it comes. I want to use this moment to explain something important to anyone watching who is just considering using a robot like this. This style of trading, greed recovery, high frequency entries, is not for everyone. It is not for everyone. It's not for everyone who will check their account every 5 minutes and panic. It is not for someone who cannot afford to lose the capital they have deposited. It is not a passive income machine that print money while you sleep without any risk. That's the reality. What it is when you use correctly on right pairs with a right capital buffer, it is a system that turns short-term market volatile into profit by being patient when other traders are not. When other traders are not, the robot does not have emotions. That is its biggest advantage over you and me. The question is, can you trust it enough to let it do its job? Gold is starting to move again. Let's just watch. Let's just watch. You can just do it. So it's just coming. Gold is just coming. So and there it is. Gold is reversing, as you see. Is now coming to our direction. You can just see it is clearly on the chart, the strongest green candles and the red candles now pushing down back through the level where our trades were opened. The floating loss is now not a floating loss, is now in profit way, minus 100, minus the robot is recalculating. All 5 positions are still, and also others are making inside it. So you can just get it on it, how it just working. So break even. And there the robot just close. It will just close all the trades once it's just in its way on the profit, because it's just there is a way it can close when it reaches its points where it is being set in. So look at that. Look at the terminal. All trades, all the trades are just going. They are in profit now. We are just about 300 again, 400 again, 400 again, like that. So we recovered. So if we could just close it, we could just lose it all. We can then crying and crying and crying and crying and crying and crying, say, oh my God, what is this? Yeah, shit. So remember, this is not for everyone. It is just for people who decide just, okay, I just need to be in Forex. And Forex is like any other business. There's a time you can get money, there's a time you lose. And even any trader in the world, even any profitable trade, they get losses in their trading, and they get even. So don't come in Forex looking for the robot that can guarantee you 100% profit. There is no kind of the robot that can guarantee for you, can guarantee 100% profit without drawdown. Or if you see a drawdown, you're just panicking, or shit, you're still losing money. It is better you choose or look for another business. The truth is good, but if you choose to be in Forex, in FX, always be patient, understand how these things works, and risk what you can afford to lose. Get the robot, test it and understand it well, and just go with it. Not must you to use the same lot size I use. It's not must you to go with the same number of trades I use. It is you to go with a way you can manage your psychology, that okay, it's just okay, let me go with 0.01, only one trade. Then you wait there. If you cannot manage risk, or maybe if you see the drawdowns, if you need to see big numbers in profit, you also have to manage, to tell your heart to manage to see the drawdown too. So if you are only happy to see the blue, the profit, you have to accept, to be happy to see when it is just coming to a drawdown, or it's just going to a negative way. So you have to be happy on this, and you have to be comfortable. Now, before you go and buy this robot, you need to say something clear. I need to say what you watched today was just a strategy working perfectly. The market dropped. The market do it everything. The market recovered. The robot was patient. We are profited, but that does not always happen. Always happen. Sometimes when you take a trade, it will just go on a point on the same direction. If gold had continued dropping or going to our to different direction, the past point where this account had been no more margin, every one of these trades would have closed automatically at a total loss. the account would have blown. That is the real possibility with this style of robot, and you need to be to respect it. My honest recommendation: if you want to test the FlipDemon, do not start like you want to be a millionaire today. You want to be, oh my God, you need to go in an honest way that, okay, I just want to go in a small count and a small lot size. And sometimes you can trade different pairs too, so as if you if you are not passionate enough, and you will just running the robot the next like 1 week or some days, then you see everything is just going good. Sometimes you get some losses, at least like that one, but at the end of the time you have to be profitable on your all of your trading. So I will be running this robot for next days and uploading every result, the good weeks, the bad weeks, and if it happen, everything you just see it inside here. If you want to follow the journey, subscribe this channel and follow my Telegram group and channel, where I posted all these updates in my description. All the links are in description, and also if you're interested on this robot too, you can just go to description, you get my WhatsApp number, and you still get it, or you can just find it anywhere you want it to get it, or sometimes if you have it, use it well and understand. So the thing here is just risk management, how you manage your risks. How many positions are you taking? There is some people taking even one lot in 100 USD, and they take the trade. So there is I will just show also some strategies which kind of the market you need to take, at least to reduce some losses, to reduce some drawdown. So even if you take the trade, at least if it goes in a drawdown, you understand, okay, it will just take time, but it will come. Once maybe it goes not good, you call it a day. You have to respect. Don't be someone who is just need to hear only good things to you. Also be someone who understands there is bad days in trading. Thank you for watching. Welcome to my channel again. Once again, I remembered you that make sure to subscribe, and all the links are in description. Make sure you go and you join our channel for more videos. See you on another video. Thank you for watching. My name is Joe.